From your local farms to your fridge, Bacillus thuringiensis, or BT, can be found in any of your fruits and vegetables, and most people don't even know. BT is a protein crystal that is toxic to specific insects. It was discovered in 1901 by Japanese biologist Shinten Ishiwatari, who was investigating the cause of the Soto disease in silkworms. In 1911, it was rediscovered by Ernst Berliner when he isolated the bacterium that killed the Mediterranean flower moth. By 1920, farmers were using it as a pesticide on their crops. BT corn, for example, contains BT to protect it from the European corn borer. But taking away the corn borer's main food source, corn, and killing these innocent creatures, we are lessening their species. And by lessening their species, we are making it harder for the predators of the corn borer to find food, and so on. It is the circle of life. Think of the ripple effects. Could the BT corn become wild and spread like the purple loosestrife? There will be nothing but us to keep the corn from spreading. If we look back to the early years of civilization, they had no pesticides and they lived just fine. Though there were famines, we are still here today, so why do we need to get rid of a species just to make our lives easier? Is it really worth it?